Alright, well, this is where the big Pottsburg Creek now begins. This is my driveway. And we're just going to go ahead and walk into my carport here. This is what used to be my carport. Okay, we are now in the carport here. We are about knee-high in water. You can see that water's awfully high here. And we're going to take a look at my house. You can see that the water is only about a foot away from actually going into the house. That's wonderful. Let's really get a good look at all of this. There's my garbage can. It floated away.